Hey guys, Jennifer from Scrapping Under the Influence. I am here with my latest design team project using Simple Stories, Sunshine and Blue Skies. For this I used the 6x8 paper pad from Simple Stories. These are double-sided. They are just kind of scaled down patterns that match the 12x12, and they're really kind of fun because depending on, if you size your album like this, you can actually use these to mat pages without having to trim anything. It makes it really easy. So on the front here, you can see, this is an entire sheet that was out of that pad. On the spine here, I've got just a little chipboard piece. The spine is 2 inches. The book itself is 6 1/4 by 8 1/4. I did something kind of different on the front, so I've got, as you can tell by the fact that it's just reflecting really badly, I've got a shaker on here, but what happens is you open this shaker up and you've got a place right here to put a picture. And this is all loose down here, so you could just tuck your picture in here. You're going to see it through the pool here that I created. It would be really easy to swap that out if you wanted to. Just decorated the inside of this with some of the stickers. I also got the 4x6 sticker pack, which is really fun because it's got like all these little versions of like the big pages and the cut aparts, and the 4x6 and 4x4 and 2x3 elements that are in sticker form. So I just matted those on the back of some colored cardstock and just put these in here where we could just tuck a picture in here and you'd be good to go. Of course, now I can't get that back out. Okay, so when you open it up, in here we've got just some stacked pockets. I kept these fairly simple. I did do some decorating down here on the front. These are just some of the 4x6 and 3x4 pieces I had left from the snap pack. On the front here, on the front of any of these or backs of these pages where I've got this whole sheet that I'm using, I did add these little tuck spots down at the bottom, so you could, make another photo mat or two, and you could just tuck those in there and they're going to stay. But I didn't want to cover up, some of these patterns that come in the 6x8 pad. So this closes with a magnet. We've got plenty of space to journal, put pictures. Just some decorations on the side here with the ephemera pack. We've got an insert. I just used something from the sticker sheet. These are some of the stickers as well, that you can, to put that little tab on there so that you know that there's an insert there that you can pull out. This is also just a spot where you can tuck a picture, and because of the size of the album, you could put a 5x7 picture in here. Okay, I've got some more of the chipboard here. I actually meant to put something up there, but it didn't happen. So this is a pocket. I've just got actually the center out of the shimmer paper, the My Color shimmer paper that I used to do the pool for the shaker on the front, just tucked in here. But you've got a lot of space in here. It's a big pocket, so you can put some bigger pictures in there. And that just closes like that. On the back side again, I've got these little tuck corners. This time they're at the top because, of course, they're tight enough that you can tuck something in there and it's not going to fall out. For this page, we've got this little summer list, bucket list, that was one of the 4x6 ephemera pieces, snap pack pieces. I've just got it matted on the back where you can put a photo on the back. You can list everything here. That tucks under these two pieces that are some of the 2x2 from the snap pack that I backed onto some cardstock. And this folds out this way, and you've got place for pictures or journaling here. This is loose, so you can get a picture in here behind this. That just closes up that way and slides in there, and that's what holds that closed. Got another insert on this side. Again, I didn't want to cover up that cute graphic with the popsicles, but I've got just another little spot down here where you can tuck something in and it's not going to go anywhere. So here I did something a little bit different. I actually had seen this on a tutorial of somebody else's that I did. I don't even know. It's been a year or two ago. I don't remember whose it was, but it kind of stuck with me because it was just kind of a neat element. So these are pockets. They do pull out to the side. I've got just some of the 4x4 snap pack pieces in here. And then it's just got a little swing closure. You could journal on the back side of both of these. These are both some of those 4x6 pieces from the snap pack. And then the other one closes the same way. I've got some more of the 4x4s in there, and it just has that little swing closure. Again, you've got your, tuck spots in the corners. Another insert with photo mats. This closes with a magnet as well. You've got plenty of space for some pictures and some journaling down here. These are some of from the Pool People ephemera pack, which is just adorable, and I'm doing something else with that for my next project. This is another one of the Pool People. And then I've got a little kind of staggered, I don't know that you really call this a waterfall. I mean, it's kind of a waterfall. Staggered waterfall here that I've just got just 3 little spots for photos there. And then we've got a big pocket back here that you could tuck some more pictures and things in. And that just closes with the ribbon there. So that's it. I'm actually headed out to a crop for the weekend. So the tutorial for this will not be up until hopefully on Sunday. But thanks for checking it out.